Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to watch GoodShort series online for free, legally and safely. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to come at goodshort.com in your web browser, or you can even download the GoodShort movie and dramas application from your Google Play Store or App Store. It is free to install and signing up takes only a few minutes. Now, once you are either in your website or at the website of GoodShort, so you need to just first of all log in into your account by clicking on the login option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, GoodShort often offers selected shows or episodes for free. So you need to look for the categories which are the series that are absolutely free to watch. Like this one is absolutely for free to watch, so you can click on the watch free option and you can start streaming your favorite movies or your series. For some users, you can also get the 7-day or the 14-day free trial with GoodShort. So this allows you to watch the full series during the trial period. Just make sure that you cancel on time if you don't want to be charged. GoodShort sometimes provide the free viewing with the short ads. This is legit way to access the content with no cost while supporting the creators. Now, here is the important thing that I would like to mention. Only use the official platforms and avoid any third party or any pirated streaming websites. They are completely unsafe and often illegal. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.